How to make a smooth slow motion video in CapCut. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make a smooth slow motion video in CapCut. So first thing what you want to do is simply open any of your project video inside of CapCut. So once you do that, what I want you to do is simply select the video. So before I proceed, let me just trim the video to make it short, so it's short and sweet. So just find after selecting the video, just make sure you turn off the volume. So once you do that, just tap on the video and select speed, and once you select speed, select normal and adjust your video speed to 0.3 seconds. So simply select right after that, and then what you need to do is simply make a copy of that video. So locate your copy button over here. So let me just locate it. It's probably duplicate. So once you make a copy of the video, simply select the second video. And once you select the second video, you need to find the overlay button and make sure your second video aligns with the first one. And now what we need to do is just make sure your second video is 1.5 seconds less than your first video, which will make it pretty smoother for your timing. And next thing we need to do is simply click on the splice button to make it even more smoother, and make sure you have turned on the Wi-Fi and make sure it is set to your 30. So once you do that much, just play the video and normally, and your videos will be pretty much smooth than before. You can also check it out by rewinding our video. So that is it for today guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.